Good afternoon, everybody. Matt from the Matty K Travel Group. I am here, Hyatt Ziva, Los Cabos. Now, normally I would do a room inspection and a room tour without my stuff in it, but we got into the room late. That's because I came all the way from Long Island, New York, all the way to Hyatt Ziva, Los Cabos. Yes, it was a long trip. So I am going to show you what an ocean view room here at Hyatt Ziva, Los Cabos looks like. Just so you know, in October and November 2020, American Airlines and Eastern Airlines are going to be doing direct service from JFK to Los Cabos, Mexico. I can tell you this, I have been to Mexico a lot of times. I've seen a lot of beautiful beaches, a lot of beautiful views, and this is just stunning. So as you come in, the typical jacuzzi tub, double sink, and to the water closet, as they call it. We're gonna spin around. You're gonna see a little amenities, my wallet, my sunglasses, and yes, I have not touched the tequila. Double closet, as we go, a place to put your luggage. This is a king room. They do make it as a double room. Hyatt Ziva, Los Cabos. And yes, there is a pull-out couch. So you can put two adults and then two adults here on the couch. And then here we are. This is your view. There is nothing like this anywhere in the world that I have ever seen. It is gorgeous. It really, truly is. So, if you want to make this your next view, I would tell you to give us a call, because we can make it happen. We can.